Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a routine basis, did it yesterday. So that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And not a whole lot of updates or anything like that, but more so kind of just confirmation. And as we head into the weekend here, just want to kind of simplify the chart and really apply the KISS method to it. Keep it simple, stupid, so that next week, from an overall chart perspective, the two kind of key technical points really stand out. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and delete this line there. It sure absolutely pertains to the chart. But again, in the spirit, from a presentation standpoint, I just wanted to keep this as clean as possible going into next week. Really, there's two key levels out there, and if you've watched the past videos, then you know exactly where I'm going to go with this. But the first key level is in regards to supports, and that's at the bottom portion of this channel, down there at that green line, valued at $4.40. On the flip side of things, in terms of levels of resistance, that level is right up there around the 515 mark, give or take. And really, until the something happens, not much more can be said. What do I mean by something happens? How do you define that? Well, one of two things really. Either a breakdown, meaning the price can no longer hold the support and the price breaks to the downside of the channel, or breakout, meaning the bears can no longer hold down the price and the bulls are able to push through to the upside of the pattern. But until, like I said, something happens, one of those two things, not much to say from a charting perspective right now. Now, I get it. If you are a day trader, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, I mean, right here is just a great playground for you. You're enjoying that all over the place. But as far as the people that care about more so the big picture of things, not much more can be said, other than channel pattern on the 30-minute, top of the channel 515, bottom of the channel $4.40. You just got to wait and see who's going to ultimately win out of the current pattern. So good week, and we'll see if the bulls can continue this trend next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.